Hey vegans, vegetarians and all cooking enthusiasts. Today we're gonna do spicy veggie tacos. If you don't happen to like spicy, just simply leave out the jalapenos and you're good to go. So let's take a look at our ingredients and then let's get cooking. So what's good about this taco mix, you ask? It's easy to make and stays good for up to 3 days refrigerated. And when I say good for up to, I don't mean it has to be thrown away, but simply quality begins to decline after that time. Just heat in microwave, fold into a flour tortilla, add guacamole and salsa, and you have a meal in seconds. You're welcome. Enjoy. So, beans and peppers are already cooked and just need to be heated. Once that is done, cut the heat, add cilantro, season with salt and pepper, and you're all done. And for God's sakes, live a little once in a while and throw some bacon in there. I'm just saying. Hey, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I see you next time.